Indiana's historic first half was forged on exceptional ball movement and ferocious transition. Their 30 assists on 39 baskets and 28 transition points sprang from 18 forced turnovers, while 11 offensive rebounds fueled second-chance efficiency. Mitchell's 25 points, her second such outburst in 3 games, blended downhill drives with pull-up threes. Boston's 17-point, 11-rebound double-double anchored the inside, and Clark's 13 assists and 5 steals validated her growth as an elite facilitator. Dallas shot 44.3% overall and saw Buchers pour in 21, but 18 turnovers and failure to secure defensive boards, 11 offensive rebounds for Indiana capped their resistance.